worried about hair loss? Don't lose your hair over it. Modern medicine has given both men and women incredible options for hair restoration. What plastic surgery does for the body, hair transplant does for the scalp. It enhances and alters the appearance of what you may not be satisfied with. The most modern form of hair transplantation is completed using the follicular unit extraction (FUE) method, and the most popular technology to do this is NeoGraft. To begin with, the donor site is identified. This is an area of the head with the best hair growth, typically the back and the sides of the head. These locations are considered permanent hair growth areas and are not susceptible to pattern baldness. During the actual NeoGraft procedure, the hair is harvested from the donor sites and transplanted 1 or 2 grafts at a time. Each graft can contain 1 to 4 hairs. On average, a NeoGraft session may involve the transplant of 500 to 2,500 grafts. If performed properly by qualified technicians, the success rate can be well over 95%. Once completed, the hair is considered permanent. With NeoGraft, downtime is minimal, which is one of the major reasons the procedure has become so popular. One only needs to take a few days off of work before returning to his or her regular routine. The other exceptional bonus is that there is no longer any scarring or invasive surgery necessary. The FUE method harvests hair and transplants it in the most natural way possible. In the few weeks following hair transplant, it is normal for the original hair to shed from its new location. In the months following that, new, fresh hair will grow into the place of transplanted hair and begin to cover the receding line you were once worried about, or provide thickness to areas that were thin. In total, the hair transplant growth cycle can take up to 9 months to 1 year. This is why it is imperative to choose an expert restoration specialist the first time. No one wants their time or money invested to be wasted on poor results. In this type of journey, only the best will do, so we encourage you to schedule a complimentary consultation to learn all about NeoGraft and the excellent results it can achieve for you.